This video is for educational purposes only and does not offer financial advice for the black community. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. After watching this video, do not go to Google Play Store and download this app. After watching this video, do not go to Apple Store and download this app. Talento ayinamgosi, uhluphe uzufe, udlikabisha uzufe, thatha lento. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi what is easy equity? Basically, easy equity allows you to invest in stocks, bitcoins, shares. Kodwa manje it's cheap and affordable, especially for the black community. Easy equity allows you to invest in fractions of shares, not just wholesales. So instead of paying 3,800 for one share of Inespa, you can buy 100 rands worth of Laoma shares and still be an owner of Ama shares, still be an investor now as umntomnyama. So imagine when you buy shares in South African stocks, US stocks, EFTs, crypto baskets, and many more others, especially retirement savings plan. Yona ingenisa imali eningi if you South African. Now, start with as little as u5 rand. Yebo, u5 rand, cabanga, malengaka. And pay 0 monthly fees, only about 0.25% or 0.62%. Nakhona it's about ama transaction fees kuphela. Ekugcineni kosuku you will own ama shares. Once upon a time, we had a beautiful girl. Sizombiza ngomali yendoda. Lite kakhulu, sizombiza ngomali. You see, Umali has just discovered her passion for investment. Umali has just discovered ukuthi phela manje useyakhula and she needs to generate wealth, especially for ingane zakhe. And so Umali went online and did research and discovered the easy equity and discovered ukuthi mangase lento include nabangani bakhe, they could all make money. So Umali nabangani bakhe bahlangana bafoma some kind of stokvel thing where they invested imali engango 300 each bebe keep 300 a month and then bayithatha le mali bayiuser to fund easy equity account yabo and then bathenga ama stocks, bathenga ama bitcoin, bathenga ama shares. Umali